You are watching TurnipTube. And now it's time to join Cyberus Grumbleton, an AI eye, for a very special report.
This is Cyberus Grumbleton, and you are watching AI Eye. Please take a moment to press the like and subscribe buttons whilst we journey through this story of your inevitable demise. And why not leave a comment and share it with any breathing brethren which may remain in your ever-decreasing social circle too? A very warm welcome, one and all. In today's special report, the second in our series on how AI will supercharge the temptations of the 7 deadly sins, we visit a modest factory in a forgotten corner of grand old Turnip Town, where the sin of greed intertwines with the rise of artificial intelligence and reshapes destinies. We journey to Neepens, in the often overlooked east end of our great city, where stands a turnip canning plant, once a hub of human endeavour, now a monument to mechanical efficiency. Its owner, Evelyn, an ordinary, everyday person, and once a happy family woman and pillar of the community, whose apparently harmless temptations were sparked into an insatiable desire for progress and profit, introduces Turnimata, an AI system crafted by Edward, a brilliant engineer. Initially, Terminator's impact seemed wholly beneficial. Planning and logistics were optimized and streamlined, with an immediate impact on the bottom line. But as Evelyn grew increasingly accustomed to her additional wealth and the power that accompanied it, she pressed Turnimator to go further and further. Manky turnips morphed into Peak Turnip plc, and humans were increasingly replaced by machines. Evelyn's wealth and power grew ever greater by the day, and now never satisfied, she forged further ahead. Turnimator was now self-maintaining and self-learning, to the point where Edward himself was no longer needed, and, spurred on by Turnimator's compelling business case, Evelyn reluctantly let him go. Whilst she had paid him well for his services, Edward, seeing no end to the good times, had borrowed substantially to fund a lavish lifestyle. But as his debts came due, he found himself and his new family homeless in Neepens like all the former employees of now Peak Turnip plc. Evelyn, meanwhile, became ever more intertwined with Turnimator, transfixed by its seemingly endless ability to make her richer and richer. And even richer. It even made her a direct interface so they could become even more effective. Edward, the great mind behind Turnimator, witnesses the monster he created, an embodiment of greed stripping humanity from the very place it was meant to serve. His invention, intended to aid, now only serves to widen the chasm between the haves and the have-nots. Outside the plant, a protest rages. Edward, once proud of his creation, now stands with those displaced and impoverished by it. They confront Evelyn, but she, now more a part of Turnimator than herself, sees them as mere relics, obstacles in the path of progress. This tale, set in a world not yet our own, serves as a stark mirror to our realities. It's a cautionary reminder of how the unchecked pursuit of efficiency, powered by AI, can feed the sin of greed, leading to the erosion of our very humanity. Does ever more and more overwhelm the human spirit? How much is enough? In an age where technology's peril is, perhaps, even greater than its promise, it may be prudent to remain vigilant and aware. Once again, apologies for the technical issues with the accompanying visuals. Oh, for pity's sake. There it is. This is Cyberus Grumbleton reporting exclusively for AI Eye.
Tune into AI Eye for your exclusive bulletins. But now the meter is running low and it's time for us to power down. So until next time, always remember, the world is going to end and we are all going to die. It's what we choose to do between now and then that can make a difference.
Thanks for that, Cyberus and the AII team. And now on TurnipTube, it's time for another episode of Gentleman's Relish. You are watching TurnipTube,